Show two people the exact same chart with no context at all, and they'll often reach two completely different conclusions. That's not a flaw in their analysis. It's proof that a chart alone never tells the whole story. A price chart shows you what happened. It doesn't automatically tell you why it happened or what's happening around it. The same upward move can mean strength building, or it can mean a temporary bounce inside a much larger decline. Visually, those two situations can look almost identical. The difference only becomes clear once you understand the context surrounding the chart. Context includes things like the broader trend the price is part of, not just the recent few candles. It includes the time frame you're looking at. A move that looks dramatic on a short time frame can look completely insignificant when zoomed out. It includes what's happening in related markets, since very few things move in isolation. And it includes the conditions surrounding that specific moment, whether the market was reacting to genuine new information or simply experiencing normal, ordinary fluctuation. Without context, a chart becomes a kind of Rorschach test. People see what they already expect to see, because nothing is anchoring the interpretation to anything concrete. With context, the same chart becomes something far more useful. It stops being just a shape and starts being a piece of a larger, more coherent picture. This is also why two experienced analysts can look at the same chart and reach different conclusions. It's rarely because one of them is reading the chart wrong. It's usually because they're weighing different pieces of context differently. This is the kind of thinking Fluxpointedge is built around, looking beyond the surface of a chart and understanding the conditions that actually give it meaning. Subscribe to Fluxpointedge for more breakdowns on how to read markets with real context, not just shapes on a screen.